Great advice about learning how to make money online that anyone can easily follow. If you're like most people, you have seen people make claims about making money online. The good news is that it is possible. However, you have to work hard. There is a lot of information out there about making money online, but here are a few tips that are sure to help you. Think about how your time should be valued prior to beginning work. If you want to work, what is the lowest rate you'll accept? You won't make more if you settle for a small wage. You will be seen as substandard in your work, and that is how you will be paid. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. It can be time-consuming to figure out how to make online money. The best thing you could do is to find people that are into the same things you are and ask them for advice. Get someone to take you under their wing, talk through ideas and opportunities, and then go from there. Keep your mind open, maintain a willingness to learn, and you can make money online soon. Begin a blog. Setting up and maintaining a blog is a great way to earn money online. By setting up an AdSense account, you can earn money for each click that you receive from your blog. Although these clicks often get you only a few cents, you can earn some hard cash with proper marketing. After watching this video, you should be ready to start making some real cash online. All you have to do is to use the tips laid out here for you to use. You will find that making money online is easier than you thought, and that it is a real possibility for you. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.